the gender stuff. Oh my gosh, the trans stuff. I had one parent say to me, "Oh, thank you very much, Mr. McMurtry, for you're the only teacher that's talking about this. My daughter has 4 of her friends in her own little play group, 4 of them transitioning." And so this is a serious problem. There's also, they're moving away from academic standards. They're moving away from essays and exams and anything that creates accountability. At this district, they had kids wearing equity backpacks to and from school in some schools. They had equity marking. My own principal used to take teachers aside if the marks weren't high enough for particularly the Black and the Indigenous kids. The defamation of the dead, the complete deformation and smearing of Canadian history. I could go on a long time. So again, I made some notoriety by saying that there were no children found at the Kamloops Indian Residential School. There were no children found at any residential school. There are no murdered or missing children, no disappeared children. But again, I think it's much, my concern as a teacher, it extends far beyond that. And I really admire, again, people like Pierre and James and then the person that I'd love to see speak next if possible is Barry, because I don't think there could be anything more offensive in an educational setting where the guiding principle is what is in the best interest of a child, than to go into that child's sexuality and trying to convince the kid that he or she is in the wrong bodies.